There's a secret strategy here, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. So make sure you follow all of them. You can do them aside by watching this video, or you can watch the video and do them later, okay? Just hit that subscribe button and let's go and make that money. You all know that there are different strategies online to make money, and you know that Facebook.com has a lot of these groups online where people gather and they just want to find advice, they want to find tips, and basically they just want to make money online. So that's why they gather in these groups. And guess what? You can make money off of these people, off of this traffic. So you can just join all of these groups and you can just let them know that they can get some money from a certain website and you will get a lot of clicks, and with that you will get a lot of money. All right, so the first thing that you can do is you can go over to freecash.com, and this is a website where you can do a lot of stuff in order to get the money. Okay, so you can play the games, you can just do these offer walls and these surveys, and of course cash out options are great. You can see PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever you want to get. And you can see that on these rewards section, you have Google Play app, and they also reward your activity on the website by giving you $500 daily to be split between the most active users on the platform. So you can do this yourself. But if you go on rewards, you will see that there is referral earnings. So you can just register here, and then you can take that referral link and you can serve that to these people here, okay? But that way, people are gonna come there, and whatever they earn, you will get some commissions out of those. And just take a look at how many people are in this group only, guys. You need those referrals. But let's not stop there, because with referral earnings, you are just like hoping that someone will go and actually earn money on free cash so you can get that earnings from referrals, right? But I took this one step further, okay? So we're not just gonna go and we're not just gonna get that link just like it is, okay? We want to do something else, and we want to change that link. And because we're going to do that, we're going to make even more money, all right? So let's take a look. There's a website out there which is called shrinkme.io, okay? And you can see that, for example, if you shorten your links, you will earn money whenever someone clicks on it, okay? So you guess what we can do, okay? You can see that you can get a certain amount of money per certain number of views from each of these countries, and you can see that a lot of people are doing that already. You can see withdrawals are really nice, 41 bucks for this guy, and there's also PayPal, Bitcoin in here, whatever you want to do. But what you want to do is you want to take that link from freecash.com. Just copy that link, okay? Copy that once you log in and make yourself an account, and then shorten that link inside of here, okay? And when you shorten that, take that shortened version of the link and then paste it in here in these groups, and just be friendly with the people, just engage with them, tell them that there's a nice website, freecash.com, where they can earn some good money, and then you just paste that shortened version of link. So not only you are gonna get the money from referral earnings when they do these offers on the website, but as well you're gonna get the money because people are gonna click on this link which is monetized, okay? And this works in a way that they're gonna see an ad first, and after that they're gonna be redirected to freecash.com. So it's two sources of income, okay? And all of these people are just waiting for such a website, okay? They gather here for a reason, and then they click on it, okay? It's gonna be easy because people don't have to buy anything, and they click on it. You get the money from shrinkme.io, and then of course you get some money from freecash.com as well, because referral earnings are yours. So it's a quick strategy. Hit that subscribe button if you like it. But I want to show you something else, okay? CPAgrip.com is another website which you can utilize to get the money, okay? So CPA stands for cost per action. So whenever someone does certain action, you are getting paid for it, all right? And you can use the same groups, and you can even use Facebook in a different way. All of this is going to work all around the world, of course. It doesn't matter where you live. So what you have to do is to go over to cpagrip.com, click on register, and complete this simple information about yourself. Let's not waste time on it, but this is what you have to do. Just select this GPT and let's log in into our account. Now, when you're on the inside, this is what you're gonna get. You can see right away there's this like chat window, and you can get a lot of help from these people. You can see also how much money people are making. This one 51, this one $2,000. Of course, for this is gonna take a little bit more time, but you can get these like $50 in maybe one day or maybe even two if you are slow. So what do you have to do when you come on this website? Just click on Offer Tools and click on My Offers. It is located here. Next on, you can choose a country of your own, or you can use some other ones. It doesn't matter, guys. You can use other countries and you can use United States, whatever you want to do. And for example, just take a look at this. Grab $750 PayPal gift card now. So people need to enter their email address in this box that they're going to get, and they have a chance to participate in a lottery, which can give them PayPal gift card in the amount of $750, okay? But this is what you get for each one of those emails, all right? You get $2 for each one of those signups. And this is easy, guys, because all of these people want to get something for free, okay? And you don't actually have to use these same groups. You can just type in giveaways in the search bar. If you type in giveaways and search for these groups, you will find a lot of these as well. Just take a look at this, guys. 56K members, 55K members. And there are a lot of these groups, and people like to get that free stuff. After all, they're gathering here for a reason, right? They want to get those giveaways. Or you can just type in gift cards as well and head over to groups as well, and you will find a lot of these gift cards. Just take a look at this. There is even PayPal rewards gift card section, and you can just go inside, and of course you can paste that link of yours in these groups, okay? And this works because people don't have to buy anything. They don't have to enter the credit card information, right? They just have to enter the email address. They have nothing to lose, right? They can just win this gift card, and there's a lottery for them, but for you, it's not a lottery. You are most surely getting $2 for each one of those signups, and that's why this is so good, okay? That's why this is so good. But just check out these offers, okay? Email, zip, submit. Don't go for these like mobile installs. And when you're done with these, I suggest doing as many as you possibly can. You can just go over to a different country, okay? So, for example, you can just use Spain, and it doesn't matter if you don't know the language. So, for example, just take a look at this one. You know that this is something about iPhone 14, okay? So you can just guess that people are gonna enter the email address in order to enter the same lottery, but this time it is iPhone 14, okay? For this one, you get 60 cents for each one of those signups. But you can see that Spain has a lot more offers than United States, so you can utilize both of these, and that way you can maximize your profits. Whichever one of these methods you like, just try it out. Get that money, guys, and I'll catch you later.